Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, for giving me lots of love. Thank you so much. And who has not subscribed to the channel, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. So this is your general reading for the month of April. I hope it resonates with you, but please check your sunshine, moonshine and Venus sign and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. So now let's start your general reading for the month of April 2021, and let's see what are the messages for my beautiful magical beings Aquarius for the month of April 2021. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world for the month of April 2021. What are the messages? What are the messages for my Aquarius? Please give me the messages. Transformation. Beautiful. Let me see all messages. What are the messages for Aquarius for the month of April? Abundance. Beautiful. Please give me the message which I need to deliver. What are the messages? Please give me the messages. Renewal. Okay. Celebrations. One more card. Okay. Money. Beautiful. Bottom of the deck, I'm having marriage and travel. So some of you are going to travel somewhere. Okay, travel is indicated here, and some of you are going to get married here, marriage proposal. Okay, now let's start your reading. Beautiful messages I am getting for you Aquarius. There is a lot of abundance which is coming for you here in the month of April. Okay, abundance is coming for you, and here I'm having money. So abundance and money both are coming for you. See, maybe you are going to get opportunities in business or in services or in jobs. Okay, money opportunities are coming for you. Lot of money is coming for you Aquarius. There is celebrations which are coming for you. Lot of celebration. Okay, celebration time. So celebration time is coming for you Aquarius. Here I'm having renewal. So this renewal is happening for you in the month of April. Maybe this is renewal of your abundance here. Can you see? Abundance renewal is here. So abundance is coming for you. So renewal of abundance is coming for you. 0330 was the recording reading time, and renewal in a relationship, that can be a possibility. Okay, so renewal is happening in your life. Maybe your relationship is going to renewed, or your abundance is going to renewed, or your job, whatever it is, take according to your situation. You are going through a period of transformation. Beautiful. You're becoming more beautiful than before. Now let's see more messages from the fairies. Okay, let's see what are the messages from the magical fairies, and let's see what are the messages for Aquarius for the month of April. Please give me messages. Wow. Marriage. See, bottom of the deck I was having marriage. The fairies join you in the celebrating wedding bliss. So yeah, many of you are going through a marriage proposal. You're going to get married, or you're going to get your marriage proposal in the month of April. Okay, a commitment. Okay, marriage is here, that's sure. I'm going to take this card. This was there in the bottom of the deck, and from the fairies also 444 0444. Maybe you are seeing the number synchronicities of 444. That can be a possibilities. Marriage is indicated for some of you Aquarius. And here I'm having autumn. In the fall season, everything comes together and you reap wonderful harvest of abundance. Beautiful. Can you see? Abundance is coming for you Aquarius. Beautiful message. Lot of abundance is coming for you, and the fairies are also saying you that everything is coming together and you reap wonderful harvest of abundance. There is summer, everything that you are asking for becoming yours in summertime. So if you are in a zone time of summer, because here we are having summer, okay, so if you are in summer time, so everything that you are asking to the divine, to the universe, that is becoming yours in your summer time. And here I'm having pregnancy card. The birth of a child brings great blessings to you and to the world. So maybe there are some of you Aquarius who are getting pregnant, okay, pregnancy is indicated here. So congratulations for those who are getting pregnant here. One more card. Debt paid off. Okay, thank you fairies for giving the beautiful messages. The old weight and habit of debt is lifted from you and your life. Okay, so whatever debt, the karma you are going through, that is going to pay, you are already paid off, you are releasing that, you are completing that cycle, and here I'm having debt paid off. Beautiful, thank you. Now let's see what are the messages from Work Your Light. Beautiful reading Aquarius, this is very beautiful reading. Lot of beautiful things are coming for you in the month of April, in the next days, okay, the rest of the days. So yes, there is the ever unfolding rose cracked open. It's happening for you and not to you. Okay, so whatever you are going through right now in your life, don't think that it is happening to you. It is happening for you Aquarius. Let me see more messages. Please give me the messages which I need to deliver. Too many messages. No. Please give me the messages for Aquarius. Wow. Deep replenishment, retreat, rest, and be held. So right now you are asking, the divine is asking, the universe is asking you to retreat yourself, rest and recharge yourself Aquarius here. Okay, retreat, rest, and be held. Deep replenishment is required for you. Then there is Council of Light. Divine orchestration, helpers in the subtitle realms. This is very powerful card here Aquarius. Okay, you are not alone here. There are divine orchestras, helpers in the subtitle realms. The divine is with you. Okay, now let me see more two messages from this deck. Please give me message. No, wait, postpone, pause, and say no. So this is a specific no for, because this was this also came first also when I took the cards down. So this cards wants to come again, okay, but don't worry. Bottom of the deck I'm having Akasha, your divine, your guidance is divinely guided. Everything is happening according to the divine plan Aquarius in your life. So right now you just say no, okay, wait for some time, postpone and pause for some time and say no. You better know your situation, okay. Then there is break the chain, ancestral patterns, healing and rewriting the future here. So that means that you are repeating some kind of same ancestral pattern, and which you need to break here Aquarius. Rewrite the future, break the ancestral pattern, do your healing and rewrite your future. Okay, so that's the message I'm getting here. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from the star seed. What are the messages for Aquarius? Please give me the messages. Okay, that was fast. The great serving, Mars energy, anger, conflict, softening to the love, cracked, open, rock bottom, surrender to the acme of life. And here also I'm having the ever unfolding rose, cracked, open. So there is something in which you required healing here Aquarius, okay. There is something in which you required healing here. There is some kind of crack which is open. You need to surrender to the divine, okay. Let me read it out for you from the book also. Okay, see, this is cracked open. Don't let the weight and destiny of the world squash your tender spirit. Instead, let it call even more of it home into your body at the center front of your life. It's through the extreme pressure of life trials that diamonds are cultivated. It's when things are at their darkest that we cultivate proper faith and our light is ignited. It's throughout the crumbling that we allow our wounds to be healed. Let your pain, sorrow and loss makes you, not break you. Okay, be open to be cracked open, wide open. It's the difficult time that help us to grow in leaps and bounds and in the ways we could dream were possible. When your heart crack open, a space is created for your soul to be more fully enter. Okay, so this is the card where you, this is the message that you need to do your healing here, Aquarius. There is something in which you need to do your healing. And here I'm having Mars energy, the great serving Mars energy, anger, conflict, softening to the love. So maybe you are going through with conflicts in life. Okay, maybe you are feeling a lot of anger. 1122 was the recording reading time. Okay, but you need to do your healing, complete your healing. See, this was the message in this card too, that you need to complete your healing, rewrite your future, break the chain, break the ancestral patterns, complete your healing. Stop embarrass winter, great cosmic warp, the void. Here the next message is that, okay, you need to stop embrace winter, great cosmic warp. There is heartache, longing for home, homesick for stars. So maybe you are feeling like that, I don't belong from here and I want to go home, because you are the star seed here, Aquarius. Okay, you are the star seeds, some of you are the star seeds and the light workers both. Here can you see bottom of the deck, I'm having double mission. So you are having the double mission in the earth, planet earth, because you are the light workers, star seeds, serve the world by being you. See, this is was the thing which I was saying you, that you are the star seeds, some of you are the star seeds and the light workers both. Please give me the message which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. Please give me one more message. One more message. There are two. No, please give me one more message for Aquarius. Okay. Weight of the world, boundaries, let it go. It's not yours to carry. So you are carrying lot of things on your shoulders. Okay, right now you are carrying lot of things on your shoulders, the weight of the world on your shoulders. Okay, so let it go, Aquarius. It's not yours. Okay, it's not yours. You don't have to carry that boundaries or the weight of the world. Bottom of the deck, I'm having I am sorry, defensivelessness, writing path past wrongs, uprooting. Here, so maybe you are getting, you are blaming yourself for the things which has happened in your life, but don't carry the burden on your shoulders. Okay, make healthy boundaries around yourself and let it go, anything which don't serve your highest good. It's not your weight to carry on your shoulder, it's not your burden to carry the things on your shoulder. Okay, release that thing which you need to release. Okay, weight of the world, you're carrying a lot of things on your shoulder here. Beautiful message, thank you for giving. Let's see what are the messages from the Scared Traveler Oracle deck. What are the messages for Aquarius? Okay, so the first message for you is discovering truth. You stand in the light of truth. Can you see how this man, this boy is standing in opposite direction and these two men is looking towards in different direction. So you are discovering the truth and you are standing in the light of truth. So trust yourself and move in a forward direction. Okay, you are on a right path. Fellow traveler, support is all around you here, Aquarius. Okay, support is all over here. You, there is, if you required support, support is all around you. Then there is stepping into power. You are strong beyond measures. And that's right, you are strong. You are stronger than you know, Aquarius. Okay, you are more stronger than you know. See, bottom of the deck I'm having, wow, crossing bridges. It's time for healing, connecting, mending and releasing. So this is a time where you need to release anything on which you are still holding on. Do your healing here, Aquarius, and release anything which you are still holding on. There is rejuvenating rain. Clear the past and heal the present. Okay, so many of you are requiring healing here, Aquarius. Complete your healing. That's the very specific message. See, healing chaos. I think it's not visible. 1 minute. Yeah, I think it is now visible. Healing chaos. So you have to do your healing, Aquarius. Complete your healing. Okay, clear the past. Don't carry the burdens on your shoulders. Okay, if you require support, support is all around you. And you are more stronger than you think. This wants to come out. Inner peace. Inner peace is here. Oh, it's not clear. 1 minute. Okay, inner peace. Okay, so you are getting your inner peace, Aquarius, in the month of April. See, again, healing chaos. Healing chaos is here. So you are requiring healing, Aquarius. Do your healing. Complete your healing. Okay, clear the past. Complete your healing. That wants to come out. Illumination here. Let me see more. 2 more messages. Opportunity. Opportunities are coming for you. See, I told you in the month of April, lot of money opportunities are coming for you. So in the month of April, there are lot of new opportunities which are coming for you in terms of love, in terms of money. Okay, they're asking me to stop. Okay, I will stop. Happiness. Bottom of the deck I'm having happiness. So happiness is coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, so beautiful things. Okay, you have to find your inner peace here. Inner peace is required for you. Complete your healing. You required healing. There are opportunities which are coming for you. Then there is illumination. See, inner peace is your birthright. Okay, tranquility occurs when you realize that your life is unfolding according to the divine plan. Serenity is not something that you have worked for or searched for. It already exists within you. To find this inner peace, simplify your life. Spend time in nature and listen to the music and the messages of your soul. True peace transcends fear and connects intimately to the Creator. Breathe deeply, fully, and know that all is well. See, this is the same message I'm getting from the inner peace, that you need to follow your inner peace. Inner peace comes inside you, and trust in the divine, that everything is happening according to the divine plan. Okay, please give me the messages for Aquarius for the month of April. See, bottom of the deck I'm having letting go. Let go anything on which you are still holding on, Aquarius. Let go of the burdens which you are still holding on. Worth and intuitions. There are 2 messages which I'm getting for you. You have been worthy to belong to love all along, without any need to improve. In fact, you are love itself. Okay, you deserve love. You are worthy of love, Aquarius. Okay, so know your worth here. Then there is intuition. Each person road to the inner Lord is extraordinary and personal. How liberating to listen inside and sense moment to moment what's needed. Use your intuitions. Your intuition is trying to tell you something here, Aquarius. Follow your intuitions. Beautiful message. Thank you for giving the messages. Let me see what are the messages from the unicorn. What are the messages for Aquarius for the month of April? King of the unicorns, you are blessed with majesty, vision and power. Beautiful message. Okay, King of unicorns here. Let me add one more message from unicorn. Okay, closeness. Your unicorn is so very close to you. So this is the message I'm getting for you. Let's add some message from the colors. What are the message for Aquarius? Please give me message which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. What is the message? There are three messages here. Lavender, connect to body, mind and soul. Here, so you can use this color here, lavender. You have to connect to body, mind and soul. This will help you out in connecting here. Then there is aqua, experience peace and calm. Can you see? Use this color, Aquarius. This is aqua color and this will help you out to experience peace and calm. And there is amber, awaken your creativity. Use your creativity. This will help you out to increase, to work, to awaken your creativity. So these are the three messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the messages to my Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from the scared creator for Aquarius. You are epic, Aquarius. You are epic. What are the messages? Creator air, and that's right, you are the air sign. Okay, use your creativity, Aquarius. You can create anything. Okay, you are epic. You are the creator, air. Use your air sign. You are the air sign, so use your creativity. Use your extraordinariness. Okay, in balance. Okay, then there is what does your soul say. Okay, listen to your soul, listen to the intuition, listen to your soul and try to find out what does your soul is trying to tell you. See, that's what I was telling you. You listen to your intuition, overrate your intuition here. Use your intuitions, Aquarius. Your intuition is trying to tell you. Use your soul is trying to tell you something. Beautiful message. Thank you for giving the message. Let's see what is the message. Flow. I now open myself to the inspiration and watch creativity flow through me. So you have to work on your creativity here, Aquarius. Okay, the message is very simple here and which is very clear for me, that use your creativity. You are still need to work on your creativity. Forgive and forget. A ritual cleansing of pain and lies. Arise and awaken. See a new sunrise. Thank you. So you have to forgive and forget anyone who have hurt you in the past. Even forgive and forget yourself too. That's very important for you, Aquarius. Let's add one message from the daily healing cards. Know that truth is a living force, whether you believe it or not. So that's the message I'm getting for you here, Aquarius. Thank you. Let's add one message from the butterfly deck. What are the message for Aquarius in the month of April? Please give me the message. Decisions. So you have to make a decisions here, Aquarius. Make a decision for your life and see bottom of the deck I'm having. You are stronger than you know. You are much stronger than you know. Okay, same message is here, that you are much stronger than you know. That was the same message here. Okay, so yeah, let me add one message from the journey within and then I'm going to close out your reading. Let's see one message for Aquarius for the month of April. Please give me one message. Yoga. You have to do your yoga, Aquarius. You can do yoga. Yoga is a science of cleansing of the heart and experiencing the joy of living in the spiritual harmony with God, nature, and all beings. It is a practice that helps one to lead a conscious, practical life of sacrifice for a higher cause. So you have to do yoga here, Aquarius. So that was your reading, and it is very beautiful reading, Aquarius. You are epic. Okay, 1 1 1 1 1 1 was the recording reading time. You are epic, and listen to your soul and intuitions here, Aquarius. Okay, beautiful message. Forgive and forget anything on which you have to forgive yourself too. You are more stronger than you think, Aquarius. Okay, beautiful message. You have to work on your healing. Okay, use your creativity. You are worth of everything. Okay, you deserve everything here, Aquarius. Opportunities are coming for you. Beautiful opportunities are coming for you, Aquarius. See, this was the same message. You are more stronger than you think. Okay, stepping into your power. Beautiful message. This was the card which I was finding out. So this was your reading for the month of April, and I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything, Aquarius. Sending you lots of love, healing, light and happiness to all my Aquarius wherever you are in the world. And you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Okay, take care of yourself and see you soon, Aquarius.